Great news, future Nuvali homeowners. Early buyers can now grab this deal. From 6.5 to 5.8 million or for as low as 8,000 per month, you can own a piece of property in Amaia Series Nuvali. If that excites you, don't miss this video. Happy Burmans to all our investors, no? Especially sa mga clients po natin from USA, Canada, Australia, UAE, Singapore, and sa iba pang bahagi ng mundo. By the way, I am Carlos Steve M. Singson, one of the sales managers from Ayala Landscore RBG, and I am here at Amaia Series Nuvali. Thank you so much for supporting my last video of Amaia Series Nuvali, no? And with this, I have a great news for you. Nagbigay po ngayon, no, ng malaking discount or malaking offer ang ating company na from 6.5 million, you can secure a property here in Amaia Series Nuvali as low as 5.8 million or 8,000 per month. But before that, let's have a quick drive tour, no, para maipakita ko lang po sa inyo ang mga developments and updates dito sa Nuvali. Tara, samahan niyo po ako. I usually start my presentation with a drive tour para makita nyo lang po yung mga binibili nyo po kay Nuvali. So again, Nuvali is a large-scale eco-city development of Ayala Land located in Santa Rosa, Calamba, and Cabuyao. It's one of the Philippines' most ambitious mixed-use estates combining residential, commercial, business, educational, and recreational spaces, all integrated with sustainable designs. So yung size po ng property natin, no, is 2,500 hectares. It's like twice the size of Makati or 10 times the size of BGC. And since malaki po si Nuvali, no, it is divided into 4 segments. We have Nuvali North, Nuvali Central, Nuvali South, and Nuvali Heights. One of the major estates of Ayala Land's battle cry, no, is Nuvali. And kasama niya po dito are yung Southmont, Era, and Broadfield. It comprises the cities of Laguna, Cavite, and Batangas, and these are outside Metro Manila. So alam niyo po na kapag nakapag-invest ka ng property in one of these major estates, alam mo na parang sobrang tataas ng kanyang market value appreciation like what we have now in Makati and in BGC. We are now heading at the entrance of Nuvali, no? Ito yung Nuvali North proper. So dito po, ang unang makikita natin is yung logo, the well-known logo of Nuvali. Yan po siya. So we are now here at Santa Rosa, Tagaytay Road. And ito po mismo yung entrance in Nuvali. Usually pag sinabing Nuvali, no, the first things that come to our mind yung koi fish area, but sobrang laki niya po sa loob. So dito po located yung man-made koi pond where you can feed fish and boat ride with your family. Dito din po located yung Ayala Mall Soledad 1, 2, and 3. And ongoing na po yung construction ng Soledad 4. Na ang kagandahan na pagkatapos yung expansion, we have here the 200,000 square meters of gross leasable area. Na of course, pagkatapos to, mas malaki pa po sa Glorieta in Makati. Very near sa the hotel po, no, there is an ongoing construction of Museum for Architecture and Residences. Kagandahan, no, it's a mixed-use development which is designed by Sue Fujimoto, a Japanese architect. Na dito po magkakaroon ng museum, art gallery, exhibits, and may mga luxury condos po doon, no, na meron silang sariling onsen or hot spring. We also have here the ongoing construction of 5 hectares Nuvali Techno Hub. It's a workplace and innovation hub here in Nuvali. Na dito po, no, magkakaroon ng office, retail, dining, and lifestyle spaces. Na of course, additional po siya na job opportunities po sa atin dito sa Nuvali. We have here the S&R and the Landers, which are the main grocery shopping centers in Nuvali. And apart from these, we also have the Robinson Supermarket and Mary Mart na ongoing na po ngayon, no, sa Nuvali Central. In Nuvali also, we have here the Healthway Qualimed Hospital. It's an Ayala brand hospital po, no, na magkakaroon po dito ng redevelopment of the hospital na gagawin po siyang parang Asian hospital sa Alabang. Na of course, no, sobrang mag-benefit talaga yung mga residents of Nuvali. may ginagawa din pong SM Neo Verde in New Valley, no? So it's a new flagship mall under SM Prime Holdings. The total gross leasable area of their development is 190,000 square meters. Na dun po meron silang 1 hectare air-conditioned indoor garden, and magkakaroon po doon ng SMX parang Samoa, no? And of course, corporate tower na alam naman natin, pag may SM, automatically may mga business centers po sila dyan. And para siyang resemblance ng SM Aura sa BGC, na of course, additional mall sa atin which will cater the affluent or high-end market of the South. I am currently here at one of my most favorite parts of New Valley, no? The CBDs of New Valley, or the Central Business Districts of New Valley, which are East Block, North CBD, and the Lakeside Evo Zone. Napagkatapos po ito, no? Ito yung parang resemblance ng BGC natin. Siya yung improved version of BGC na mga mid-rise buildings lang. It will create job opportunities po sa area ng South. Na ito yung movement na ginagawa ni Ayala Land po, no, to help the government to decongest Metro Manila. So sa mga taga-South dyan, in the future, ito po yung magiging BGC po natin. In New Valley also, we have the big box retail New Valley, which are the roadside stores in New Valley. Na doon po, meron tayong McDonald's, CBTL, the newly opened Jollibee, the Uniqlo roadside store with own green park, and magkakaroon pa doon, no, ng isang open space na in the future daw, isa po itong restaurant. So pag nagkaroon na po ng official details regarding this restaurant, i-update ko po kayo. Sa New Valley Boulevard po, no, meron dito rotonda. Yung first exit niya, yun yung shortcut natin going to Casilla Road. Sa pangalawang exit naman po natin, no, yan naman po yung papunta ng New Valley Central. We are now here at New Valley Central. This is the heart of New Valley, where Amaya Cities New Valley is located. So dito po, we are greeted by Central Block. Central Block is approximately 12 hectares in size. Kung familiar po kayo kay Alabang Town Center or Mulito in Alabang, ito yung parang commercial po natin, no, na malapit sa mga residential properties natin. Na dito po, magkakaroon ng Mary Mart, yung grocery store po natin. We also have here the ongoing construction of the shops, yung mga restaurants. And since siya, commercial na malapit sa mga residential properties of New Valley, dito po magkakaroon ng mga bangko, salons pa. Yun yung mga permitted use po ng commercial po natin dito. Pagdating po natin sa street na to, no, kakanan lang po tayo para pupuntahan po ang ating property. After the Central Block, no, ang makikita naman po natin yung Xavier School, one of the schools inside New Valley. For the school po na ito, no, this is a co-educational K-12 college preparatory school na aside from Xavier School, may mga ibang options din po tayo like Everest Academy. So it's a Catholic international school, a pre-K-12 din po siya, na kagandahan hanggang grade 12 na po yung school natin na ito. And apart from that, we also have the Miriam College New Valley that has elementary and high school building na po. And nakagandahan dito, pagkatapos po yung school, even bigger pa daw po ito in Miriam College sa Katipunan. As we can see po, itong pinakadaan po natin sa gitna, ginagawa po siya. Pagkatapos po ito, a total of 6 lanes po siya. Ganun kalaki yung mga major spine roads or estate roads of New Valley ang ginagawa po natin. Na-imagine, pagkatapos po ito, habang kino-construct yung mga developments, kasabay po nito yung talagang pagtaas ng market value appreciation ng mga properties natin inside New Valley. This is the update of the construction of Solara Park Stories New Valley. As you can see, naka-top off na po tayo. Ginagawa na po yung interior designs ng pinaka-building po natin. And kagandahan, in the next 2 years po, tapos na po itong tower. For the early investors of this project, congratulations po. Kasi tumaas na po yung value ng property natin ay malapit na po nating matirahan or malipatan sa Solara Park Stories New Valley. We are currently here in Evo Living Parkway, one of the roads inside New Valley. Na of course, pag natapos po itong road na to, parang sa New Valley Boulevard din na pag naglakihan yung mga puno, parang may canopy sa gitna, na hindi na po ito masisikatan po ng araw. So ito yung way natin going to Amaya Series New Valley. Before Amaya Series New Valley po, on our left side is the Luscara New Valley. This is one of the subdivisions of New Valley under Ayala Land Premier, a top-tier developer of Ayala Land. Nakagandahan, na ang kapitbahay mo lang naman is the most high-end of Ayala Land. Na of course, yung pinaka-foot traffic dito sa area ay konti lang po. We are now here at the entrance of Amaya Series Nuvali. And the good thing about it, no, sa Sector 3 natin, ito yung pinakamalapit sa entrance. I am now here at Amaya Series Nuvali, one of the smallest subdivisions inside Nuvali. The total land area of this project is approximately 12 hectares in size. Ang neighbor niya lang naman po no, is Luz Cara Property, which is owned by Ayala Land Premier. So imagine no, pag ito yung kapitbahay natin, sobrang konti lang po natin dito sa area. This is the first and last townhouse in Nuvali. No? And for the amenities naman po natin, we have here the clubhouse, adult kiddie pool, basketball court, landscape garden, parking spaces for guests and visitors, pet park, and 24/7 security. Currently, Sector 1 and 2 are already sold out. And now, we are offering Sector 3. This is the last phase of Amaya Series Nuvali. For the Sector 3, we now accept letter of intent now while waiting for the license to sell coming from the DHSUD kasi we are very compliant when it comes to this kind of the releasing ng license to sell po natin. And with that po, no, we are offering 5.8 million for the early investors. And once na labas na po ang ating license to sell, the price will be back at 6.5 million. For the unit offerings po, no, we have two types. The first one is the Series 65 inner. Pag inner, no, the floor area is 65 square meters and the lot area is around 60 square meters. That's the minimum po. And for the Series 65 end unit, the floor area is 65 square meters as well. And the lot area naman po is 85 square meters naman yung minimum niya. So depende, no? There are end units na mas malaki ang lot depende sa location po ng ating unit. And the good thing about this end unit, no, that you can have your expansion ng house natin. And for the end or inner naman po natin, pwede ka maglagay ng fence as long as 1 meter yung solid natin and another 1 meter for the grills or glass po. I'll show you some videos of this property both for bare and dressed up para mapakita ko lang po sa inyo gaano kaganda si Amaya Series Nuvali. In Amaya Series Nuvali, you're not just buying a piece of townhouse in an exclusive subdivision, but what you're buying is the entire master plan development of Ayala Land. Kasama sa binili natin, yung mga malls, yung mga schools, yung recreational area of Nuvali, yung maayos na transportation system, the security system, and of course, no, you are living inside in an Ayala Land development. To know more about this property, you can send a message to my Viber, WhatsApp, or iMessage. That is +63961 462 2138. You can also send me a message through my Facebook page. That is the Property Expert, Ayala Land by Carlos Steve Singson. Please hit like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be updated to our upcoming videos. Once again, this is Steve Singson, your property expert in Nuvali.